Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 6 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to cover today are simple interest, sales prices, sale prices, find the original price. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here at let's just start with the lesson simple interest. Maria has $80 in a saving account. The interest rate is 10% per year and is not compounded. How much interest will she earn in 1 year? Not compounded means that is the simple interest. So, how do we calculate the simple interest? The formula to calculate the simple interest is I equals PRT. So, I is the interest, P is the principal amount. Principal amount means the starting amount. R is the interest rate, and T is the time period, right? So, the principal amount here is $80. The interest rate is 10%, and the time period is 1 year, right? So just use the formula I equals PRT, P is the $80, R is zero point 0.1, and time period is 1. So the correct option is $8. Let's just start with the test questions. Jing has $70 in a saving account that earns 5% interest per year. This year, the interest is not compounded. How much interest he earned in 1 year? So you have to calculate the interest. The principal amount is $70. The interest rate is 5% and the time period is 1 year. So 70, the interest rate is 5. 5 divided by 100 is 0. 5 divided by 100 is 0.05 and the time period is 1 year. So just multiply that is 3.50. So the interest per year is $3.50. Got it? Let's just move on to next one. Roscoe has $20 in his saving account that earns 5% interest per year. The interest is not compounded. How much will he have in 1 year? So the principal amount is $20. The interest rate is 0.05. The year is 1. So that is 20 times 0.05. That is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So that means 21 it is. 20 is the saving account and $1 is the interest. So that is 21. Option number 2 is the correct option. Manuel has $80 in a saving account but earns 5% annually. The interest is not compounded. How much interest will have in 1 year? The principal amount is $80. Interest is 0.05 and 1. That is 4. The interest is 4. The amount is 80. 80 plus 4 is that is 84. Option number 3 is the correct option. Jake has $90 in his saving account. The interest rate is 10% per year and is not compounded. How much will he have in 1 year? So, which is the correct option? If you guys keep your notebook and pencil with you, then you can do the questions, but no one is using the notebook and pencil. So the interest is $99. The amount is $99. Option number two is the correct option. That is $99. Option number three is the correct option. Yoshi has $40 in a saving account that earns 10% interest per year. The interest is not compounded. How much will he have in 1 year? That is $44. Option number one is the correct option. Jenny has $100 in a saving account that earns 10% annually. The interest is not compounded. How much interest will she earn in 1 year? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is $10. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Sales prices. Let's just start with the lesson. The original price of a padding cake is $68. What is the sale price? You have to calculate the 25% off on 68. Calculate 25% of 68. So 25% of 68 means you have to do 25 over 100 times 68, right? So that is 17. The discount is 17. Now the original price is 68. So 68 minus 17 is 51. The correct option is 51. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. The ordinary price of an ironing board is $8. How much will Gina pay if she buys it during the sale? That is, you have to calculate 75% off on $8. That is 8 times 75 over 100. 8 times 75, that is 6. So that means the discount is $6. You have to calculate the price after discount. So that is 8 minus 6, that equals $2. So that means the price after the discount is $2. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? Correct option is $2. What is the sale price of a robot originally priced at $72? What is the sale price of a robot originally priced at $72? That is 25%, 25% off 72. 25 over 100 times 72. 25% of 72. That is $18, right? So the discount is 18. So 72 minus 18 is 54, I think. Yes, that is $54. So the price after discount is $54. Option number two is the correct option. The price of a flashlight is $2. How much will Stacky pay if she buys it during the sale? That is $1. Option number one is the correct option. Zia wants to buy a glass measuring cup. The cup is $4. The original price is $4. The what is the sale price? So which is the correct option? You have to calculate 75% of 4, right? So 75% of 4 is $3. So that means the discount is $3. So the sale price is $1. Option number one is the correct option. What is the sale price of a water heater originally priced at $432? So which is the correct option? What is the sale price of a water heater originally priced as $432? That is 25% of 432. Mm, 25% of 432 is 108. So the discount is $108. So the price after the discount is $324. Option number three is the correct option. That is 324. Option number three is the correct option. Fred wants to buy a clarinet. The original price is $494. How much will Fred pay if he buys it during the sale? So that is 50% off. So the for 50% off it is, right? So that is 247. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. That is sale price, find the original price. During the sale, Carmen pays $54 for an aquarium. What was the original price? He paid $54, right? That was on the 54%, sorry, 25% off. You need to calculate the original price. So 100 minus 25, 25, that was on 25% off. The percent he paid is 75%, right? So the 75% is 54, the one he paid. So 75% times P equals 54. So when you calculate it for the P, that would be 72. So that means the correct option is 72. The originally that was for $72. Let's just start with the test questions. So, Alice wants to buy a chalkboard. The sale price is $21. What was the original price? That was on 75% off, right? So that means we paid 25%, right? 25% is $21. The percent paid is because that is on 75% off. So that means the percentage we paid is 25%. So 21 is, can you hear me? No, I haven't muted. So we have to calculate 25%. That is 25% times P equals 21. So that is 25 over 100 times P equal 21. So let's just do calculation. That is P equals 21 times 100 over 25. 25 times 4 is 100. 21 times 4 is 84. The correct option is $84. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is $84. The sale price of a soup is $45. What was the original price? You have to calculate the original price that was on 75%, 25% off. So that means the percentage we paid is 75%, right? Percent paid is 100 minus 25, that equals 75%, right? So 75 times P equals 75% times P equal 45. So 75 over 100 times P equal 45. So P equals 45 times 100 over 75. The correct option is option number 360. It is when you do the calculations, the correct option is $60. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is $60. Okay, the next one is during the sale, Cooper buys $26 for a wooden toy chest. What was the original price? $26. That was on 50% off. So, which is the correct option? That was on 50% off, so that means the original price is $52. Option number 3 is the correct option. During the sale, Maggie says $17 for a toy rocket. What was the original price? So that is on 75% off, right? So that means the percentage we paid is 25%, right? 25% times P equals 17. So then 25 over 100 times P equals 17. So P equals 17 times 100 over 25. 25 times 4 is 100. So that is $68. The correct option is that is $68. If a crystal sculpture has a sale price of $43, what was the original price? That is $86. Option number 1 is the correct option. The sale price of a cell phone is $42. What was the original price? So the sale price is $42. So we paid 75%, right? So 75% times P equal 42. P equals 42 times 100 over 75. So the correct option is that is $56. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today. So we were working on grade 6 math. The chapter we were working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are simple interest, sale price, find the original price. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the light chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.